Hi folks, we're going to take a look at question 7b on page 97, and they're looking for the Cartesian equation of a line that passes through 2, -6 and is perpendicular to the line 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so first thing we need in order to find the Cartesian equation of a line is a point on the line, and we have that here. So P naught is just equal to 2, -6. And the other thing we need to find the Cartesian equation is our normal vector. Okay, so we'll use the fact that it's perpendicular to this line here to find our normal vector. So I'll just draw myself a little picture here. So say this is the line I'm looking for that contains 2, -6. Okay, and it's perpendicular to this line here, which is 3x minus 2y plus 12 equals 0. Now, since I have the Cartesian equation of this other line, I know a normal vector to that line. Because here a and b, okay, 3 and -2, would just be a normal vector to the given line. Okay, but I need a normal vector to this line here, the one that contains 2, -6. So I realize that the normal vector that I needs to be perpendicular to the normal vector of the other line. And here again, if you watched the previous video, if you haven't, I suggest you do. A quick way to find perpendicular vectors is to take this vector here, and all you have to do is interchange the x and y components and change one of the signs. So here, if I interchange, the 2 goes to the x component, the 3 goes to the y component, and I'll change the sign of 2 to -2 into +2. Okay, of course, what also could have worked would have been keeping the -2 and changing 3 to -3. And these would both function well as normal vectors since they're scalar multiples of each other. But I'll use 2, 3. That makes a lot more sense. Use the one without the negatives. So now that we have our normal vector, we can easily find the scalar equation of the line. So we know the scalar equation of the line, ax plus by plus c equals 0. Okay, and now I'll input everything I know. So 2, 3, my normal vector, will provide my a and b values, and then the p naught, 2 and -6, will provide me an x and y value for this line, and I'll be left with this c. Okay, so let's take a will be equal to 2 times the x component is 2. Okay, and then we've got the y, so plus, the b, which is the y value of n, 3 times the y component of our p naught, -6, plus c equals 0. And now let's just clean this up. So we've got 4 minus 18 plus c equals 0. So 4 minus 18 is -14. So c is just going to be equal to +14. Okay, so that means our final answer will be 2x plus 3y plus 14 equals 0. And there we go. There's the scalar equation to this line.